Sa puntong ito ay atin naman sasaksihan ang makulay na pagpasok ng ating mga kabataan, ang mga bagong miyembro at kasapi ng ating Boy Scouts. Ang aking handa at bukas sa pagtanggap ng mga adhikain at mithiin ng Scouting Movement na nagsisimula sa kanilang paglalakbay sa mundong Scouting. Bigyan natin sila ng masigapong palakpakan.
Follow me, boys, follow me. When you think you're really me, that's the time to lift your feet and follow me. Boys, follow me. Pick 'em up, put 'em down and follow me. Pick 'em up, put 'em down, pick 'em up. There's a job to do, there's a fight to win. Follow me, boys, follow me. And it won't be done till we all fit. It's a long, long climb, but we got the will. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Though the journey's end is beyond our sight, follow me, boys, follow me. If we do our best, then we done all right. Back below, hit the road and follow me. Follow me.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat.
Chico, tumayo ka. Apa, sasali po kami.
Handa na ba ang inyong katawan at isipan?
Apa.
Sabihin ninyo ang inyong pangalan at ang inyong kagustuhan.